Alright, Christy took the helm today. We're headed up on the Bonneville Shoreline Trail, or a section of it. And I think this is the Orson Smith Trailhead, which provides us access to...
that ferry sign.
Oh, there's the ferry poop maker go away.
There is no ferry.
Oh.
There is no.
Oh, there isn't one?
No.
So pick up your poop. Orson Smith Trailhead. Oh wow, look at all those trails.
Yeah, there's trails all over the place up here.
Okay, well, we're gonna pick one and go. Christy has the helm today. Alright, here we
Just
go.
have one destination, that's it. And we can mess around.
Basically, this trail just follows the bench, upper bench of the valley, so you can overlook the city down below. This is our second hike since beating COVID, and first one was yesterday. Didn't do too bad. A little rough, but made it fine. This trail takes us to this suspension bridge over a canyon, so that'll be neat to see.
Pretty rough.
Alright, so we just came up this connector trail to get to the Bonneville Shore Trail, which is this one. I think Christy's going to take us on this bridge loop, wherever that goes.
Up.
Oh no.
It's not too far up there. There's two ways you can get there. You can go on. You can go up this way.
Yeah?
Or go that way and come back this way.
Okay. Let's do the hardest first.
Okay, I think this is I think we'll go up this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the sign. There's a bridge.
Oh, there you go.
Bridge loop. Either go up there or go left. Alright, this looks steeper, so let's do it first. It's steep and it's a good climb. Steep and switchbacky. Here's a view of the trail coming up the canyon there. That's where we're at. And it looks like the bridge is coming into sight right there. It's a pretty cool bridge. Suspension over that canyon. Well, for being Labor Day weekend, Sunday morning, have this bridge to ourselves. That's pretty amazing. Huh, that's a cool bridge. I like cool bridges. That's our trail down, Christy's saying. So it's a loop trail. Nice. See if I can get kind of a panel of this real quick.
Ooh, that's super scary.
We got the bridge to ourselves. For a minute, anyway. Let's go walk across it and stuff.
A little sign about it.
Bear Canyon.
185 feet. And
Sweet.
that's one of those. You're doing your drone.
Get a little windy.
Is it windy?
Might be. It's pretty windy right now. Well, you can feel the bridge just swaying.
The worst is when you're on it and other people are watching it. Like,
And it's pretty far down there.
pretty far down.
Here's the other side. Huh. Bear Canyon.
What's the Bear Canyon Loop Trail?
No dogs allowed on this trail.
Huh. I didn't know there was a trail up there.
Yeah, we're on the Bear
All granite.
Loop Trail, the BLT. So up this trail with the bridge as our backdrop. That's pretty cool.
Oh wow.
We're gonna get a good
how
view.
Nice that is, Steve.
I know. We're gonna get a good view of that bridge from up here. That's why this trail's here.
Yeah, super pretty.
Huh. Yeah, that's cool. Christy's gonna go into the Bear Tunnel.
Kind of creepy.
Yeah. Boy, it feels really good, that cool air coming out of there.
Yeah, it does.
Heck yeah.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Yeah, it's a pretty little,
Oh, wow.
the Oak Brush Tunnel.
Oh, even there's moss down here, too.
Thought we were gonna cross the river. Oh, there's a bridge.
Oh, wow. That's neat.
That must be for high water, which we're not having today. Huh. The Bear Creek 1997.
It's pretty up here.
There's another view of the bridge. We just went down this little loop down through the bottom, and now we're coming out this other side. Looks like a cool rocky outcropping to get some drone footage on. All right, topping out on this trail finally. Oh wow, there's the views of the valley. Very nice. There's Christy looking for a high point again. And should have a good view of the bridge from above here.
Oh, you gotta go down that way.
Oh yeah.
Down a little bit.
really cool.
Really cool.
Right on. And we're gonna finish the loop now. Come down the other side and around and down below it. All right, we're just making our switchbacks back down. And now, voila. Pack's a lot shift. Oh, the suspension bridge. We had a lot of fun up there. Flying the drone, and messing around. Pretty fun. Fun little close to home hike.
What, 10-minute drive? 15 minutes drive?
Yeah, 15 minutes from home. All you cell phone junkies, you even got reception.
Yep.
Alright, we completed the loop. There's the trailhead there.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like the sun shines on my truck, so it's time to go find some air conditioning. Well, alright, that's a wrap.
Yep, about 2.5 miles.
2.5 miles. I don't know the elevation gain.
Not a ton, I don't think.
I don't know, I felt it. That's a cool bridge though, got some cool drone footage around it, so.
It's nice, it's real close to the city and
Yeah, 15 minutes from home, views of the valley, and
pretty.
not a bad hike, so pretty cool.